Indonesia merasa terhormat untuk meneruskan presidensi G20 tahun 2022. Kami akan menjamu Yang Mulia dan Bapak Ibu di hamparan pantai Bali yang indah, yang menginspirasi gagasan-gagasan inovatif untuk produktivitas G20 ke depan. Sampai bertemu di Indonesia, terima kasih.
All heads of government from G20 member nations gather for the high-level conference. The meeting of the finance minister and the central bank governor was replaced by the G20 Summit in 2020. The increase is intended to fortify the G20, so that it can win the most support as a crucial component in preserving the stability of the global economy. Police personnel in Indonesia will employ Zero DSR electric motors to protect the G20 Summit. Unfortunately, this motorcycle is not a local ape, despite the fact that it is genuinely wild. Numerous Zero DSR electric motors were displayed at training sessions at the Indonesia Safety Driving Center, according to the official NTMC Polri website as cited by Ozone.it. On November 15th to 16th, 2022, 94 units of Lily electric motors were used during the G20 Summit in Bali. According to the official Zero motorcycle website, DSR has a Z-Force 7507R air-cooled brushless motor that runs on electricity. The electric motor has a torque of 157 nautical miles and a power output of 70 horsepower, greater in size than a Wuling Air-F. With that much power, this motor has a fighting range of up to 163 kilometers and a complete battery charge range of 262 kilometers. While it's still missing, the highest version available is called Power Pack, and it has a 362 kilometers per hour cruising speed. The charging process alone takes 9.8 hours to complete from 0% to 100% battery capacity. The motor that will be used by the police during the G20 Summit has been specially designed for police usage and was in fact provided by the manufacturer Zero, who also makes the motors used by the police in Arizona, USA. Several police support items have been upgraded. For instance, rotators, sirens, bodyguards, top boxes, side boxes, and others.